Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change contacts format, display first name first, then last name in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So first of all, we need to open our phone app. Then we need to navigate to contacts, and here under these three dots we have a hidden menu. Then we need to use contacts settings, and here it is. So name format. Right now, by default, we have first and then last name. If for whatever reason this is changed, for example, surname then first name, we can change it here to have our first name then our last. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.